Welcome to week 11. So, we're going to go to the last unit. We finished up critical analysis. Now we're moving on to unit 5, the research paper. This unit is huge because it goes from the end of March all the way until the end of April. So, as you can see, you have Read Me First, week 11, Read Me First, week 12, Read Me First, week 13, Read Me First, week 14. Every item that goes with each week is under the Read Me, okay? So make sure you follow along. First things first, for week 11, I have the research paper requirements. How long does it have to be? How many sources do I need? All of that stuff is in that document, so make sure you visit that. I made you a video on how to write an argumentative research paper. You cannot be on the fence. Like for gentrification, a lot of you are on the fence. For your research paper, you cannot be on the fence. You have to pick the side that you're on, argue in this paper why you are correct using the sources. Then you have to disprove or refute or write a rebuttal on the other side. You cannot be on both sides. So I gave you a video on that, and a PowerPoint that goes with the video is here. The research topics. Look here for your topic. It pretty much covers all the topics. I know that little silly sad face comes up. I don't know why, but just click here. And then all of the topics are here. It says HBCU lifestyle, research papers, 50 ideas to get started. If you look at this, they are all there. Tons of topics. Environmental research, family issues, health research, all by topic. Media and communications, so on and so on. So find a topic that works for you. Make sure it's something you are passionate about. Do not pick something that's easy to research because you are going to hate writing this paper if you do that. Make sure you actually care about the topic. So that's the research topics there. I also gave you a PDF of it, so you can look at it there if you can't get that link to work. You have a discussion on the CRAP method. There's the CRAP video and the CRAP handout. Your PQs are here. You'll need to make sure you do those every week. So those are the PQs for week 11. Make sure you do those. You have to come up with a research question and other things there. You have textbook work. So for week 11, you're just getting started on the research, coming up with a topic, reading over the assignment requirements, figuring out how to find great sources. By the end of that week, the only thing you have due is the textbook notes discussion. So make sure you read all the directions so that you can get all the points. Once you move on to week 12, Read Me First, you have PQs for that week. That week, you'll have a research proposal due on that Sunday. So make sure you do that. That counts as a paper, and it will be submitted here. As you move along to week 13 in your research paper, you have your PQs again. You'll have an annotated bibliography due again with all of your sources. That will be due that Sunday. Put your paper in the annotated bibliography folder in the proper link. Moving on to week 14, you have PQs for week 14, and your research paper will go there. I gave you sample research papers. There's one on sugar, and here's another one. I think that one might be on gentrification. I'm not sure. But check those out. And this is everything for the last unit, okay? If you want to know, is that the end of the semester? Well, kind of, sort of. You have a final exam. It's very simple, just like your midterm was. So if you want to keep working, feel free to go to this. That's your final exam. Read Me First for the final week. Here's your essay to type and submit here for your final exam. It is a reflection just like the midterm was. So that takes care of the end of our semester. If you want to work now, you can. If not, it's there for you when we start those weeks. Have an amazing day.